just dropped anchor in Walsh Cove, and there goes Charity. Look out! This beautiful Walsh Cove. It's gorgeous out, sunny, warm, and yeah, we did actually a pretty good job stern tying this time around. So yeah, I love Lexi when I have a knife on at all times.
So we are at Walsh Cove. It's absolutely beautiful here, and we're going to explore a little island where there's a reef, and Bart has his knife.
Quick check.
Yeah, I mean, before, like, I felt a little bit safe, but now I feel really safe.
What can I say? I'm the knife guy.
He
Need a knife?
really is
I got a
knife
knife.
guy. Bart's pushing off the dinghy, and we brought our snorkels to explore the reef. Let's watch as the mountain man chooses his spot for anchor. We found our spot. Found our dinghy. This is so cool.
It is deep enough though for a grand jump.
Probably deep enough to jump. Look at how clear it is.
From up here?
Into the blue-green waters he goes.
After I spit in my mask.
Yeah. Thanks.
Important first step.
The water's kind of cold, but
Not too
it's a nice
cold.
hot day. I'll probably last 5 solid minutes. Here he goes. And he's off. Go Bart. I wish I could better have recorded this lovely little channel to explore with this green water. Oh my word, it's just breathtaking, and it's so warm. I lasted way longer than 5 minutes. Just past Walsh Cove, there's a place where Waddington Channel, Humphrey Channel, and Toba Inlet all meet, and the sun sets just behind the corresponding glorious mountains, so we went out there for sunset.
This is what you gotta do. Get your downrigger. Get your 10-pound lead ball. Okay. Check the knot. We're going with the green flashy. Right on the power line there.
Let it go. We're using Scotty products today.
Windor Scotty
Find
product.
yourself a good Scotty product, and you find yourself a good salmon.
So we just got our covers up in time, and we could hear this sound coming, and it's the rain. Can you see it on the water? She approaches. Charity, how much do you love storms?
So much.
So much. Here it comes. Holy smokes.
Isn't it just like God to clear a storm so we can leave for our destination right on time, safe and sound? Oh, it's just beautiful. You never know that half an hour ago this place was torrential and thundered and lightninged. And here we are, peaceful in sunshine. Sheesh. Thank you, Lord. Our conquering hero, fisherman extraordinaire with the prawn traps, has successfully attained a bucket of prawns. Oh yeah. Did it. Woo! Wow!
This was a moment I had bought a drone for, whales. So we took off and we went to find the whales and look at them from above, which is kind of a dream come true for me as a drone flyer, and definitely made the investment in a drone worthwhile. Then the rain that we had earlier today returned. You can see even on the screen there's a few shots of rain, and drones and rains don't mix. So I raced home as fast as I could, anxious to get the drone safe and sound back into our boat, and just about lost it at the last second. You'll see here that the boat's moving slow, but it's still very hard to catch a hovering, non-moving drone. So luckily I got it in the boat though.